If you're using Coinbase and you find a good crypto to buy, the process is easy. Let's buy, say, $750 worth of Bitcoin. So I hit trade and enter my amount, $750. It tells me what I'm going to buy and what I'm using to buy it. So in this case, it's my Ameris bank account. I hit preview buy and it gives me the details of what I'm buying. The number at the top shows how many coins I'm buying. In this case, $750 buys me 0.011 of a Bitcoin. It also shows what I'm paying with, the price of Bitcoin, purchase amount, and the fee. Okay, so let's talk about the fee. Coinbase is extremely user-friendly, and they make buying, selling, and converting coins really easy. There aren't any big scary graphs to look at, and it gives the beginner a nice, warm, fuzzy feeling. But warm and fuzzy, well, that costs money. Now, if I go to Coinbase Pro, which is owned by Coinbase, and if you're logged into Coinbase, you automatically have a Coinbase Pro account, and I try to do the same trade, this is what happens. Now, Coinbase Pro has a bunch of big scary graphs, and while it's more tailored for the experienced crypto investor, it's not hard to use. First, you go to select markets and select all. Then you'll find Bitcoin under the symbol BTC. We then purchase $750 worth. See the difference in the fee? That's why we want to buy our coins using Coinbase Pro.